And the last tab is View. In the View tab, we have our normal view. I can select a full page view if I want to see it with a lot less distractions and a lot more space. I can also dock this to the desktop. So now I could, if this were a page I were taking notes on, I could also be on another site, whether it be a website or a gizmo or something along those lines. Okay, and then I'll just use this arrow over here to make this go back to our OneNote. So we saw full page, dock to the desktop. Page color, I can choose the page background color. So if you have students that are sensitive to white, or you've had kids that have to have a purple overlay, then this is a good tool for them. You can also have ruled lines. So some of the writing and math teachers really like these because we can have notebook paper looking lines for the students to write on. We can also have grid paper. So a lot of the math and science teachers really like this. And with this grid paper, remember back in the Draw tab, I had an XY axis. I can also go ahead and draw this on my grid paper and adjust it to line up with those grid lines. And I've got grid paper with an XY axis. You can hide the page title if you want. You can select your size. You can zoom in and out. This can be important on the tablets because sometimes those are very hard to see. A couple other things. We can get a new window, which means I'm basically opening two copies of the same notebook. I can get a new docked window. This is pretty much the same thing as dock to desktop. And then I can also get the Send to OneNote tool, which we'll talk about a little later. And if I wanted this particular page to always be on top, that's what this is for.